So student, today we will discuss the lesson Nationalism in India, section 4, the sense of collective belongings. Means to bring the all people of the country into the one union or in the unity. So nationalism spread when people began to believe that they are the part of the same nation. So many of the things was done by the nationalist and many of the people as a patriot or a national lover who had done many of the kind of program or many of the things has been discovered which could bring the kind of unity among the people, and they had produced a sense among the people that they are the part of one nation. So when they discovered some unity that bind them together in India, such sense of collective belongings came partially through the experience of united struggle, and many of the great leaders had to participate under this united struggle, where the people had brought together under the big umbrella unity. And you have seen many of the such program movement and many of the other demonstration had brought such kind of the unity among the people. History and fiction, folklore and songs and popular prints all played a part of making the nationalism. The identity image of the India was visualized with the image of Bharat Mata. This is a kind of allegory which was also produced in France, Germany, and many of the other countries of the Europe. Because you know very well, French nationalism was different from the Indian nationalism, where the nation states was coming into form towards the nationalism. It was different from India because Indian nationalism was different from the European, because it was produced against the anti-colonial, you will say, forces, anti-colonial power, not forces. The image was first created by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, and it was painted by Avninath Tagore. It was a second person. Main cultural process such as figure or image helped create an image with which people could identify the nation. Devotion to this mother figure came to be seen as a evidence of one's nationalism. It was with the growth of nationalism that the identity of India was associated with an image of Bharat Mata. This image was first created by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, who wrote the song Vande Mataram in his famous novel Anand Math. Then Avninath Tagore painted the famous image of Bharat Mata. He was moved by the Swadeshi movement. In this painting, Bharat Mata is portrayed as an ascetic figure. She is calm, composed, divine, and spiritual. It means she was just presented as the, you will say, the sense of goddesses. In subsequent years, the image of Bharat Mata acquired many different forms as circulated in popular print and was painted by the different artists, such as Raja Ravi Verma. He was also known as the Indian, we'll say, Leonardo da Vinci, and he also portrayed many of the image of Bharat Mata. Devotion to this mother figure came to be seen as evidence of one's nationalism. Revival of Indian folklore means it was a repetition of folklore, means local stories, local songs helped in the development of nationalism. Folk song and legends gave a true picture of traditional culture. It helped in discovering nationalism identity and restoring a sense of pride. Indian folklore, such an idea of nationalism also developed through a movement to revive Indian folklore. Folk tales were sung by bards in the villages to give a true picture of the traditional culture, which was corrupted and damaged by outside forces. In Bengal, Rabindranath Tagore himself began to collective ballads, nursery rhymes, and meant to revive the folk culture. In Madras, Nathesa Sastry published a 4-volume collection in Tamil folk tales, Tamil language, the folklore of southern India. Icons and symbol. More icons and symbol helped in unifying people and inspiring a feeling of nationalism. During the Swadeshi movement in Bengal, a tricolour flag was seen, red, green, and yellow, was designed. Icon and symbol during the Swadeshi movement in Bengal, a tricolour flag, red, green, and yellow color was designed. It had 8 lotus represented the 8 provinces of British India and a crescent moon representing Hindus and Muslims. This was a flag where you will see the 8 lotus leaves. You will see the crescent moon as well as the sun. Along with it, in the middle stripes there was written Vande Mataram. It means it was representing the true devotion of Indian nationalism. By 1921, Mahatma Gandhi ji designed Swaraj flag. It was also again a tricolour red, green, white flag and had a spinning wheel in the center representing the Gandhian ideal of self-help. Means it was telling about the Gandhian ideology, the home rule, the self-service, the self-production. This was the flag was designed by Mahatma Gandhi. Where you will see the 3 stripes in the middle stripes you will see in the white color where you will see the Gandhiji Charkha. It was representing the self-help, self-employment or Swadeshi program or mission. Reinterpretation of history. Indian began feeling that to instill a sense of pride in the nation. Indian history had to be thought about differently. They began looking into the past to discover India's great achievement. They means a social reformer like the Raja Rammohn Roy, Swami Vivekanand, Ishwachandra Vidyasagar wrote about the glorious development in ancient India and an achievement when art, architecture, science, math, religion, culture, laws, trade had flourished and they made India a very successful country. This glorious time in their view was followed by a history of decline when India was colonized. The reason is that the Britishers saw Indian as backward, primitive, incapable, governing themselves. In response, Indians began looking into the past to discover India's great achievement. They means wrote about glorious development in ancient India in arts, architecture, science, math, religion, culture, law, and philosophy. This glorious time was followed by history of decline when India was decolonized. All these things were, you will say, introduced among the Indian because Britishers had realized the Indian that they were primitive, they were backward, they were not very superior to rule themselves. So there was the need to support them to show their, you'll see, inferiority, and that will help the Britishers to rule in India very successfully. So these program has been started by many of the people and they have shown the India the glorious star.